Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my homemade style barbecue chicken. Let's get cooking. So here's the chicken. I already washed it, vinegared this chicken, and it's already nice and clean. So I'm going to make this barbecue, my secret recipe for this barbecue chicken. So this is some fresh seasoning I grind, some onion, garlic, thyme, scallion, and basil in here. And here is some chili pepper and some black pepper as usual. I'm just gonna eyeball it. You're just gonna put how much you like. Okay guys, this is my secret recipe for this barbecue, but you can put what you like because this is homemade style. You can put like onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper. So this is 2 tablespoons of salt, but you can put how much you want. Go to your taste. Now I'm going to work it up here, and I'm going to let it sit for 1 hour, sometimes 2 hours, and then I'm going to barbecue it so the seasoning can go into the chicken. So here is my secret sauce, apricot. I blend it up in the blender because it's kind of chunky. And I put it in my pan, barbecue sauce inside. You can use any flavor that you like, any one that you like. Put a little bit of sauce. And here is some duck sauce. I'm gonna put 2 scoops of duck sauce. And some ketchup. You can put how many you like. And a little bit of white wine vinegar. A little bit. So this is some molasses. This is the dry molasses. Molasses look like sugar, but it's very lumpy. So 2 scoops of molasses. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of honey. Okay, give it a little bit of sweet. Okay, so it's gonna boil and get thicker, and then it's gonna become a sauce, and this is what I'm gonna put on my chicken. So this is how it should look like. I'm about to put it on the chicken, so it's all done. Okay, so I just had my grill, and I'm gonna spray it. Okay, so I just spray my grill. I'm gonna put my chicken so it can start taking its time and cook. Okay, so it's coming up good. I'm just gonna turn it over. It's gonna stick here. Okay, so this is how it should look like. Now I'm about to glaze it with my homemade sauce. Okay, so it's finished. I'm gonna put it in my file pan. Okay, put this on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.